We should have addressed this before. We should have set it so that the water ran differently off the roof, and clearly it's just one area that we messed up on. So we would cover those type of factors. Yeah.
So the client get a choice of the type of windows they want if you're coming out and replacing the windows?
Yeah. Yeah, we work with a lot of distributors. So like we have Pella, we have Anderson. I think there's one more that we have, but I don't recall off the top of my head what it was. Probably Marvin. So yeah, like, and that all comes down to, like, I'm always disappointed that most of the places always just choose the same gray roof, beige siding. Like, there's nothing exciting in these things, but that's always, it becomes the cheapest, and then by being the cheapest, it's the most popular, and then by being the most popular, it becomes even cheaper, and so it's just in that cycle of every house looks the same to me.
So if you're replacing the siding on my house,
I'll get him. Yeah.
No, I pushed.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
if they're replacing the siding on my house and taking off the siding, they see a lot of rot on the wood.
Sure.
Do you guys follow through with that also, or do you stop?
We make you aware. We'll probably offer different options that we can do with it. If we physically can't build into it, we would set up something temporary so that it's not getting more damage into the house. We can replace.
Out to get another contractor, or you guys